Dancehall entertainer Squash is now a free man, and is adamant that he is not a wrongdoer.
Much fight. Look for 6 bars to me the evening.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
St. James native and rising dancehall artist Squash is now a free man. Squash, whose given name is Andre Whittaker, was being held under the Emergency Powers Act. He was reportedly taken into custody on August the 8th of 2018 during the state of public emergency in St. James. The 27-year-old entertainer, who grew to prominence over the past several months while spending most of his time in custody of the police, took to social media to let fans know he was free. He was never charged. In a video posted to social media site Instagram, Squash had this to say.
Much fight. Look for 6 bars to me the evening. It just take time to know the real persons. Be there every day. Never 6. Whole team out here now, man. Wash away my sins. Wash away my sins. Wash me truly. Why you prove me? Father God, wash me truly. Wash me truly.
Following his release from detention, Squash is maintaining that he has not been involved in any criminal activities. I am at a loss regarding the reason for my detention. I am not a wrongdoer and do not in any way support law breaking. I look forward to using the unfortunate experience in a positive way to propel me to do more positive music, the artist said in a press release.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.